bike really makes his ass look big. There's a lot of bikes up here for being a Wednesday. The temp is now down to 85 degrees, which is comfortable. Motorcycle gang caught up to the New Yorker. It'd be cool as anything if Harley owners would share the road. 105 pull-offs. They won't look in their mirrors or use one pull-off. Watch this Toyota wheel. That thing's brand new. Brand spanking new. They just bought it. Brand new to them. The last owner took pretty good care of it. This was a long stretch with no pull-offs. I'll tell you what, I love riding this bike through here. It really brings back memories and a reminder just how heavy and cumbersome bikes were in the 90s. Bikes were just big. Even the CBR 900RR was a big heavy bike. Big heavy bike. Big top heavy bike. It was fun to ride and get a knee down on, but man, that was a big bike. The GSXR Strad, even that was a big heavy bike. The suspensions were terrible back then. dude's clicking off cars pretty good. Man, I can't believe two of them pulled over for me. I still can't catch him though. It doesn't matter how stupid I ride this bike. I'm not going to be able to catch any sport bike on VFR today. In the back of my head it's saying, you should have rode a monster today. Should have rode a monster. But I'm not in that big of a hurry to slay the dragon. I'm having fun. There's absolutely a smile on my face under this helmet, so don't get me wrong. But you are not winning any races on a 26-year-old Honda VFR. Alright, y'all, welcome to North Carolina. Here we go. And I think it's some kind of old classic motorcycle day. There's something going on, because I've been seeing 70s, 60s, and 70s motorcycles everywhere today. The Cherahela Market had a bunch of them. And we just saw a pretty decent sized group there. But just randomly throughout the day, I've been coming across older bikes, which is cool to see. Somebody's keeping up with them and maintaining them. It's not going to be this guy. I like a good carbureted bike. But here we go. Here's the Deals Gap store. Yeah, see, there's two strokes. But Deals Gap on a Wednesday, this is what it looks like. See y'all.